So, very good evening, guys. I hope my voice is audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, guys. Okay, fine. So how you guys are doing? Doing good?
Yes, sir. Doing good.
Okay, so what about the programs? Are you guys practicing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so anybody is facing any issues while executing the program?
No.
I hope no, right? Okay, fine. So give me a moment. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, sir.
Please unmute yourself. Fine. So I hope people are joining. Okay. Okay. So in the last class, we have seen that is input and output operation. We have seen something called as input and output operations. So we know that when it comes to this input function, when it comes to this input operation, we'll be using input function. When it comes to output operation, we'll be using print function. And we have learned, we have seen a lot of different examples as well. Okay. So in this session, what we're going to do is, we are going to see something called as operators. So what are these operators? Any idea? See, these operators are nothing but these are the symbols. For example, okay, I'll be taking one example, a plus b, a minus b, or for example, c is equals to a plus b, d is equals to a minus b. So now what I'll do, I'll just take this thing. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. So here what I'm trying to do, guys, don't you think that I'm trying to add these two numbers and assigning to variable c? Here I'm trying to subtract two numbers and assigning to the variable d.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see guys, operators are nothing but it is not only mathematical operations, it is also having some different things, morally. So don't you think that so this plus is a symbol, so plus is operator, no? Don't you think
Yes,
that
sir.
this plus is an operator, whereas this a and b are the operands?
Operands.
Yeah. Okay. So I hope you're able to understand, right? So I can just tell operators are symbol where we use this symbol in order to do some operation on operands. Operators are symbols, that's all, just symbols. Symbols used to perform operation on operands. Okay. So this place is an example of an operator. Similarly, in Python, we are having different types of operators. Fine. So let us see one by one. So there is something called as arithmetic operators. There is something called as comparison operators.
Relational operators.
Yeah, okay. Relational as well, fine. Comparison operators. And equality operators. Logical operators. And again, something called
Bitwise
as,
operators.
sorry?
Bitwise operators, sir.
Yeah, bitwise as well. So I'll be going in order. Okay.
Okay.
I'm having some order. So I'll just go in order to explain all these things. Okay. We are having something called as arithmetic operator, comparison operator, equality operator, logical operators.
Logical operators.
Sorry. Yeah, and membership operators. And again, identity operators, identity. And assignment operators, assignment. And compound assignment operators. Okay, so let me just give example for these things. That is assignment operators, sorry, arithmetic operators. So don't think that addition, subtraction, multiplication,
Division.
as division, and again floor division and
Modular.
modulus. Okay, modulus, as well as the last thing is exponent. Okay, so when it comes to this comparison operator, there is something called as this thing. Okay, have you heard this greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to?
Not equal to.
And again, when it comes to equality operator, we'll be having something as equal to, not equal to. Sorry?
Is not.
Is not will come in the identity operators. Identity
Okay.
operators.
Okay, sir.
So is as well as is not as well. When it comes to logical operators, any idea?
And or
And or not.
Yes, sir.
So when it comes to membership, no, in, not in. And again, when it comes to assignment operators, only one thing, that is equal to. So when it comes to compound assignment, no, we'll be having something like this. So first I'll explain all these things. Later on, I'll come to this. Okay. So then only be getting some idea. So there is something called as plus equals to, minus equals to, and again divide equals to, modulus equals to, exponent equal to, floor division equal to. So many things are there. Okay. I hope I have covered everything. Fine. So let us see practically every example. Yeah, there is something called as ternary operators as well. So I'll come one by one. Yeah, this is fine. So arithmetic operators, okay? Arithmetic operators. So A is equals to 10, B is equals to 20. So now what I'll do, I'll try to give print. I'll copy this, paste it here. So here what I'll do, I'll write plus, I'll write minus, divide by, multiplication, modulus, exponent. So here when it comes to modulus, no, I have to write the greatest number on the left side, smallest number on the right side. So if I'm trying to execute this, no, so when it comes to arithmetic operators, we know that addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, modulus, mod, as well as exponent. I'll be taking this just 2, okay? Let us see. So just a minute. Yeah, 2, execute it. Yeah. What happened to this? Okay, fine. I'll run the current file. So guys, are you able to understand now what is 10 plus 2, 12, 10 plus, sorry, 10 minus 2, 10 divided by 2, 10 into 2, and 10 mod 2, as well as 10 into 2. Okay. So greatest number is 10 itself. What I'll do, A mod B itself. So I'll be getting proper output. So 0. So here I'll try to explain this modulus operator. See, if I'm trying to divide, 10 divided by 2, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting 5.0, no?
A float value.
Yeah, float value. I'll be getting a float, not integer. Fine. So what about the modulus operator? Modulus.
A reminder.
Reminder.
2.
So yeah, modulus will be getting reminder. Not 2. I'll try to explain. 2
Sorry, 0, sir. 0.
5 are 10. I'll be getting 0.
0.
Yeah, 0. I'll be getting this as a modulus. Mod is returning this thing. Okay. I hope you're able to understand now. So what is division is doing? What is modulus is doing? I hope it's clear for you guys. Any confusion,
Yes,
guys?
sir. No.
No, right? Okay. Fine. Let us see comparison operators. Okay. Comparison. So you know that, right? Greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to. These things definitely you would have learned in the schooling. Okay. So if I'm trying to give something like this, A is greater than B, what I'll be getting? True or false? A is lesser than B.
False.
False. Sorry, I'll be getting true, false here, right? Initially, first line. So here I'll be getting true.
True.
So what I'll do, I'll be initializing one more variable that is called as C is equals to 10. Okay. So here, if I'm trying to give A is less than or equal to C, true or false?
True. True.
Print B is greater than or equal to C. What I'll be getting?
True.
True or false?
True, sir. True.
This line B is greater. Yeah, B is greater. Fine. For A is greater than or equal to C. So what about
False. False.
false? This line, last line I'm asking, last line. True, right?
True,
Because
sir.
it is
True.
equal to.
Equal.
Yeah, means I should be getting, what I should be getting, I try to explain here. What I should be getting, A is greater than B, that is false. Okay, just a minute. I'll change the color of the pen. Yeah, what I'll be getting here? False. So what about now? A is less than B, that is true. Here, true. B is greater than or equal to C, true.
True.
C, true.
True.
Means only first thing is false, remaining everything true. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll start executing the program. Yes, sir. Now am I getting the same output?
Yes, sir.
See, when it comes to this, no, when it comes to this operator, see, if any one condition is true, the output is true. Find this thing, this part. I hope you can understand this. So all these things definitely we have learned in the mathematics, maybe in school or PUC, basic things only. So what is the next operator? Equality operator. Okay. Equality operator. Fine. So what I'll do, I'll be taking few things. Number 1 is equals to some number. So number 2 is equals to some number. I'm trying to think number 1 is equals to number 2. What I'll be getting?
False.
False,
Same
sir.
thing what I'll do, I'll give it here. I'll be getting not equal to. Not equal to is nothing but exclamatory equal to. Guys, please mute yourself, okay? If you're not listen, really, please mute yourself. So now what happened to this? So here what I'll be getting? I should be getting.
Yes, yes. I think someone unmuted.
Okay, I'll mute. Okay, don't worry. Fine, no issues. Fine. So here what I'll do, I'll just go ahead, just write here. So here what happens here now? So number 1 is equal to number 2. True or false?
False.
False. So what about here? Not equal to number 1 is not equal to number 2.
True.
True. And again, what about here?
True, sir. True.
True, sir.
True. Yeah,
Good.
I'll execute this and show you the output. So let us see what I'll be getting. So what I'm getting? False. First false.
False.
Again true. What about here? Name? True or false?
False.
Why? Because it is uppercase, lowercase, no?
Strings, sir.
No. It is a small letter. It is capital letter.
Oh.
So I hope if you just observe carefully, you can get this. So who is watching from mobile? Guys, I hope everybody is attending the session through laptop, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fine.
So mobile phone. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this part let us discuss after some time. Okay. So I'll just finish the topic now. Okay. Yeah. Now, if I'm trying to give something like this, name is not equal to name, I'll be getting true here. Fine. So when it comes to this, guys, when it comes to this equality operator, when it comes to comparison operator, what is the output? What is output here? It's a Boolean data, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very, very important thing. They might ask in the interview these things.
Okay.
Fine. So what is the next thing? That is something what is logical operator. So when it comes to logical operator, print. So guys, have you heard this truth table?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
True and false. So what I'll do? So true and false, false and true, false and true, and true and true, true and true, false and false. Okay. No, I
Sir,
think
you gave 2 times false.
yeah. True and false.
False and true.
False and true. Yeah, true and false, false and true, 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 false, false. Fine. So I hope now it is correct. So what about here, true and false? What will be getting?
Third line is true, remaining are false.
Okay. So don't you think that if when it comes to and operator, if both the
If
condition
both
is
the
true,
inputs are true, then only it will give the output as true.
true. Okay. So what I will do? I'll just take this thing, just replace it, this thing. Okay. Or I'll be taking this thing. Fine. Let it be. So I'll go slow itself. So what happens? What about here? I'll be getting false. What about here? I'll be getting
False.
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 Means false and false is also false.
False.
So when it comes to here, no, when it comes to and if both the side will be, if I'm getting true, then only the output is true.
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 For remaining all the things, everything is false. Fine. I hope you understood, guys. So what I'll do, I'll try to execute this thing. So I hope you're able to understand this, right? Same output, no? So now let us see something called as OR. So what I'll do, true or false, false or true, false or false, and again, true or true. So what about now?
In third case, it is false, and remaining case, it is true.
Yeah. So that is when it comes to your or operator, what is happening? If any one side, if I'm having true, what is the output? Output is
True.
true. Here I'm having true. Output is true. But here what is happening?
True.
Both the sides I'm having false. That is the result is false. Here, since I'm
False.
having both the sides true, output is true. Fine. So let me just see what I'll be getting. Yes or no? Am I getting in the same output in the same way?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. I hope it's clear. So now what I'll do, I'll just go ahead, try to print not of true, print not of false. So what I'll be getting opposite of it. Means I'll be getting false here, I'll be getting true here.
True.
I'll be getting false, I'll be getting true.
True.
So I hope you're able to understand these things. That is, logical operators are very, very important. So what is the next thing then? Fine. So membership operators. When it comes to membership operators, no, I'll try to give something more examples. Okay. So when it comes to membership operators, we'll be having something called as in, not in. Okay. So just a minute. Fine. For example, what I'll do, list. So names is equals to, or name list is equals to this. Okay. So I'll be taking list of names. Okay. That is, I'll be taking your guys. I'll just keep it here. something like this. Okay, I'm having a list of names. So here what I'll do, suppose if you want to check whether something like this, okay, if you want to check whether Murali in my list or not, how can I check? What I'll do, I'll be taking Murali in what names list. What I'll be getting? I'll be getting either true or false. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to just print this. So is it true? Am I having Murali in my list, name list? Yes. Am I getting true? Yes or no?
Sir, actually, we are not getting that screen.
Oh, not sharing the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, something changed. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So I hope now you're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now what happened? I have taken a few names from the attendees list. So what I'll do, I'm checking whether Murali in name list. Will I be getting true?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about
True.
Kiran?
False.
False. So what about this Ulta? Something like this. Kushal in not in. Not in list, true or false?
True. True, sir.
True. Fine. So then if I'm trying to print like first name I'll be taking. Okay. In name list. So what sorry, not in. What I'll be getting here? I'll be getting
False. False.
false. Yes or no? First I'm getting true. Second thing I'm getting false.
False.
And third thing I'm getting true as well as false.
False.
Fine. So I hope you understood the membership
Yes,
operators.
Sir.
Fine. So then what I'll do, I'll go back again here. So there is something called as identity operators. Okay, when it comes to identity operators, I'll just give you one good example. Fine. So what I'll do, I'll try to give some example, good example. Okay. Name is equal to. Okay, what I'll do, let me just take something here itself. Name, have I taken name here? No. I'll be taking a name from here itself. Fine. Trying to print name 1 is name 2. What will be getting? True or false?
True. True, sir.
True,
So,
sir.
yeah. What about now? Is not. I'll be getting
False.
false. True and false. So now what I'll do, I'll be creating list 1 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. Same thing. What I'll do, I'll just copy same thing and just paste it here. I'll be writing just 2, list 2. So now tell me if I'm trying to print, what I'll be getting? Print LST 1 is LST 2. Okay, first I'll just try to print here. So observe guys carefully. Observe carefully. See here. So don't think that I'm having a list whereas everything is same. The order is same, the numbers is same. So I can just tell it is identical list, means it is same, everything is same, no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So if I'm trying to do something like this, that is list 1 is list 2, what I should be getting?
Maybe false.
Why? May I know why?
Because the elements in the list are same, but not the list names, not the lists actually.
So you're trying to convey the answer, but that is not the proper answer actually.
Yes, sir, I know, but something like that, but I forgot actually.
Yeah, almost near. Okay, almost near, but you have to frame a proper sentence. You have to justify. Okay. Fine. I'll try to execute. Okay, and show you. So what I'm getting, true or false?
False, sir.
False. So why? Because see, everything is object in Python. Have I told you this one? I hope yes, right? See, everything is object in Python. Yes or no? Fine. So how to fetch the memory location of address? Sorry, of object. That is how to fetch the yeah. Please go ahead. Yeah, by using ID. So what I'll do? See what is happening here. No, I'll try to explain here itself. See, when it comes to strings, no, when it comes to strings, what is happening? I'll go back and explain in here. It's not. So when it comes to strings, no, name 1 is equals to somewhat like Kiran. Again, if I'm trying to give name 2 is equal to Kiran. Name 2 is equal to Kiran. Okay, what happens? So what is happening here is it is creating a data. It is creating a object in the memory. Something called as this. Name 1 is equal to what? Kiran. Okay, it is pointing towards this. If I'm trying to create something like this, okay, that is name 2 is equal to name 2 is equal
Another
to Kiran.
object.
Sorry. Sorry, please repeat yourself.
It creates another object in a space memory location.
Okay, fine. But if I'm trying to print the address, no, what I'll be getting is I'll be getting same address. Why? Because see, you might assume that you might think that it will be creating new object, it will be pointing towards this. No, that is a wrong assumption. So what is happening? It is not creating a duplicate thing. What is happening? It is pointing towards the same object. Means if I'm trying to print the address of these two means I'll be getting same. Yes or no? So here, if I'm trying to compare this name 1 is equals to name 2. So what is happening? It is checking the data. Data means this data. But if I'm trying to check something like this, name 1 is name 2. What is happening? It is checking the address of object, memory location of object. Assume that I'm having like 1, 2, 3. So it will not create like 4, 5, 6. It is pointing to the same thing. Means I'll be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, both of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, both of them. Okay. Guys are able to understand, no?
Yes, sir.
So but when it comes to in case of list, no, in case of list, what is happening? In case of list, what is happening? It is not pointing towards the same object. It is not pointing towards list 1, list 2. It is not pointing towards the same object. It is creating new object. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So why? Because it has been designed in a such a way. Because this is a mutable type of data type. So it will not point towards the same object. It is creating a new object. But what about string? It is a What type of data type is string? It is a immutable, right? Strings,
Yes, sir. String is an immutable.
immutable type of data types. So what I'll do, I'll try to print the address of this LST, sorry, ID of LST1. So what is the important thing is now here, when it comes to equality operator, it is checking the data. When it comes to identity operators, these are checking the address of an object. So don't think that when it comes to strings, both are same. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
When
Yes,
it comes to list, what is happening here? Both are
there is a difference.
means both are different object itself. So
Yes.
what is happening when it comes to is operator? Is is checking this thing only. Is checking if both are equal, then true. If it is not equal, then it is false. It is true. Yes or no? So I hope you guys got some clarity now. Yes or no? Yeah, Pradeep is correct. Pradeep told the answer. Okay. So fine. So next what I'll do. Who is playing song in background? Murali.
I think someone unmuted themselves.
Yeah, who is unmuting? Okay, no issues. I'll just figure it out. Okay, how to remove the option. Fine. So leave it to me. Fine. So what is the next thing? That is assignment operators. So you people tell me. So don't you think that this assignment operators we are using from the first day itself? So what is assignment operators? Assignment.
Equal to.
Equal to. That is A is equal to 10. What is happening? I'm trying to assign. I'm trying to assign for variable E. I'm trying to assign 10 data. Something what is assignment operators or operator. Okay, but there is something called as compound assignment operators. Okay, what is this compound assignment operator? Compound assignment operators. So when it comes to this compound assignment operators, no, we'll be combining multiple things. Okay. So observe carefully. So try to observe here. So what I'll do is I'll just tell A is equals to 10. If I'm trying to print A, what I'll be getting 10. If I'm telling A is equals to A plus 1. So what is happening if I'm trying to print A? Guys, any idea?
11.
11.
10 plus
So
1 11 అవుతుంది.
I'll try to explain here. Okay. So what happens here is, what is there in A?
10.
What is 10 plus 1?
11.
11
Again, what I am trying to do?
equal to
Assign
A.
it to A.
It means don't think that I'm trying to take this 10 plus 1, 11. And again, I'm assigning back to A.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this topic is clear, right? So now what I'll do, I'll try to execute this one. Yeah. So this is nothing but before, after. Okay. So when it comes to this compound assignment operator, no, I can just write in a short form, in a simplest form. How?
A plus equal to 1.
Plus equals to 1. Means there is no, this is not incrementation, okay? This is not incrementation operator. There is no incrementation, decrementation operator in Python. So if I'm giving 100,000 also works, okay? So as of now, I'll be taking only 1. So am I getting same output? If I'm
Yes,
removing
sir.
this also, I'm getting same output.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just comment this. This is equal to nothing but A is equals to A plus 1. So similarly, I can just use what? So can I use minus equal to, divide equal to, modulus equal to, exponent equal to, floor division equal to? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it's possible. Okay. So now what I'll do, can I give this as assignment for you? Assignment for you? This part,
Okay, sir.
only these things. Just try, give a try. Take it as assignment. Okay. So now let us do something. So let us just try to solve some problems. Okay, interview questions. So give me a moment, okay? So what I will do, I'll try to open the file. Yeah. So adding two numbers. So we know that, right? So how to calculate these things? So now I'll try to explain these things. Fine. This line will be taking. Try to solve this question. Okay. Again, I'll be taking Celsius to this. I'll be taking these things. So make a simple calculator. We have been done already. Okay, so let us just solve these things. Fine. So when it comes to this, no, there is something is there. Okay, I'll try to some formula is there. You have to solve these things. So what I'll do, I'll try to fetch that formula. Just a minute. So you guys know how to solve the quadratic equation? So the formula is this, okay? The formula is this, the formula. In order to solve the quadratic equation. Fine. So first what I have to do? See guys here, A, B, C are constants. So we have to find the X here, okay? A is equals to 10. B is equals to, okay, I'll be taking small number. I, C is a constant. 3 will be taking. Fine. So if you want to see, no, here what I have to do, I have to just take these two things. That is, we'll be having this thing, something like this. Plus, sorry, plus, and two things. So what is happening? We'll be getting two roots, plus and minus. Okay. So you have to find out these two things. So what I will do, I'll be taking, I'll be converting this into a formula. Okay. RES1 is equals to minus of B plus square root. How to find the square root, guys?
Double star 2.
0.5. Square root, not square.
We can use SQRT.
Yeah, math.sqrt. Yeah, I can use that thing as well. So guys, here, see when it comes to this operators, no, when it comes to this operators, very, very important thing. Follow. So have you heard this BODMAS rule?
Yes, sir.
So what is this BODMAS rule? Border of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So same thing only, same logic only. So what I'll do, I'll try to get it, okay? So just a minute. Yeah, here no. Yes. So same thing, no. When it comes to here, don't you think that I have written the same thing? But here, what should happen now? Very, very important. We have to just give the parenthesis, that is round braces properly, or else we will be getting different output. Okay. So since we wanted to calculate this first, what we do, we just given the parenthesis again here. What I have to do? I have to calculate what 5 of this. Let me just try to print RS1 first. Yeah, definitely be getting a real number. Okay. So I'm getting a very huge number. Okay. So I hope you can understand this, right? So what is happening? Initially, it is just calculating these things, no? This, all these things means try to understand. Okay. I might change this thing as well. Just a moment. So what I'll do, I'll be taking it here as well as here. And combine this in this. Yeah, but definitely be getting a big number. So what I'll do, I'll be taking 2 as 3 and constant is 3. I might get a small number as well. Okay. So see, the ultimate thing, what you have to do is you have to just understand these operators. That is the main intention of this program. That is operator precedence. So are you able to understand this, right? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now let us just try to solve this. So these are the basic things only. Okay. So write a program to convert kilometers into miles. So what I'll do, I'll be taking input from the user, that is kilometers is equal to what I'll be using. I'll be using eval. So you know what is eval, right? So how to convert kilometers to miles? Kilometers to miles. I think, right? So 1.3, right? Yes, no? Any idea?
Yes, sir.
So 1.3. So what I'll do? Print Kilometers. Yes. Yes. Miles. Very simple. Okay, so now I'll execute this one. What happened to this? Okay, my bad. Mm, 3 kilometers is equals to, so 3 kilometers is equal to what? 3.9000004 miles. So what I can do, I can just use something known as so round off. So round off what? RES. How many digits? I want something like maximum 3 digits. Okay. RES is equal to this. Or else what I can do, I can just do it directly here as well. Yeah, we can see now. Yes, right?
Yes.
And so what I can do, I can just try to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. So trust me, guys, these type of questions will be getting in the interview, definitely. Okay. Yes, things Celsius spelling. So Fahrenheit is equal to, so what is the formula? Celsius into, I think 1.8. 1.8. What is 4 divided by 5? 1.8 plus 32. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
4 divided by 5. Okay. I think 4 divided by 5. If I'm giving 4 divided by 5, what happens now? Is it correct? Is it correct, or should I do something extra here? I have to just enclose in parentheses, right? This thing as well. First, what is happening? This is calculating. Again, multiplication. It is multiplying with this. And again, it is addition with this, adding with this. Celsius. Fahrenheit. Okay. Okay, some example like 23 degrees Celsius is equal to 50.400. I'm getting too much lengthy, right? Okay, let it be. Let it be. Let enter. Yeah, something like this small number. Okay. So this part you understood, no? So guys, I'm audible. So it's 9 by 5. Sorry, 9 by 5. Yeah, you can see. So I don't know how to do this thing. Fine. So can I just give it as assignment for you? So can I just do this only one question as assignment? Can you solve this problem yourself? Guys, is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, any doubts when it comes to this session? Anybody is having any queries, any doubts?
No, sir.
I hope no, right?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, so I hope you guys are clear with the operators, right?
Yes, sir.
So let us see some new topics as well as so let us solve even more questions in even more complex question in upcoming sessions. Okay. So fine, guys. Good night. See you tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.